Nowadays, many times on websites, you will only see a logo at the top. You won't even see a menu. So logo is probably the go-to thing that needs to go at the top of your site. That is done within the theme because it's in the header. I'll go again to the front end because I want to access the customizer. We click again on customize. You may be hoping that there is one way that you just click on customize once and you never go there again, but get used to going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth all the time. This is how it works in website building. Go to the header area on the page, and remember we only have a main row. We've placed these two elements inside the main row, and then we have a logo that we've put on the left. I don't need to go here and click header and then the element and then the settings. All I need to do is hover over this area, which is the logo, and then click on the sideways balloon, and it opens the settings for the logo. We start from here. Select logo. I will select that. And over here, this is our logo that we will be using. I'll click on select. Nicely, it brings in the logo for us, and you see it puts it there. But now what is this nonsense down here with the print co? What Blocksy logo element does is giving us the site title as a stand-in logo, right? It fears that you may not have a physical image that you're bringing in, so you can use the site title, and that's what you see over here. Simply deactivate it and it will remove it. Note you can also add your site tagline. So you can bring in all of these guys and all your printing needs appear here. And actually, that doesn't look half bad. I didn't do it for the demo. No, I didn't. But I think that looks actually pretty good, right? And then you have control over where the tagline will be visible. Do you want it displayed on your desktop, mobile, and tablet? And they are activated, all of them. To test this, you actually have to go into the responsive views. And then I'll go into this one. And I think the tagline looks good on all of them. Well, that is a surprise to me. Logo image position currently is at the top. If I put it to the left, you will see that our tagline will go to the right and the right will be the opposite. But the top really worked. Note that again, if you click here next to the desktop, you have control over where you want it to appear on the mobile device. Don't overlook these because I do all the time. Content alignment is going to look at this logo element like it is a box. Imagine it like so. Imagine this is a box. And what the content alignment is going to do is space these two on top of each other on the left, middle, or right. So have a look then. If I put it on the left, exit here first, on the left, nothing will happen. That is the default state. Both of them are on the left. Put it in the middle. Put it on the right. I also like that, but I like that better. Or you can simply click here on the reset. And that is how you set up the logo. If you go to design, you will see that we have here control over our font family, tagline color, and then the margins. Font here is going to become an important aspect because we have in our creatives and this document that I've shared with you, I told you these are the fonts, Palanquin and Palanquin Dark, that we will be using. But currently, this, all your printing needs, and even the home link up there isn't set to that font. In the next chapter, we're going to change the base font in Blocksy.